Storm Team Weather Lab, KAMC meteorologist Kellyanne Class.
Yesterday marked the first day of meteorological spring, and what that is basically it's just how we keep track of our records. Meteorological spring goes from the 1st of March all the way to the end of May before meteorological summer starts on the beginning of June. And we already felt that warm air yesterday. Finally felt like spring with temperatures into the mid-70s across much of the area. That is well below our average of 63 degrees, but nowhere near our record of 89. And by this afternoon, we're still going to feel a little bit of that warm air, but most of that warm will be kept down to our south as temperatures reach the mid-70s. The rest of us will be into the low to mid-60s, all thanks to a cold front that's currently slowly working its way through the South Plains right now. Our northern counties seeing temperatures into the 30s while this front stalled out directly over the center portions of the South Plains, giving us temperatures into the 40s. And our southern counties still feeling that mild air with temperatures right now into the 50s. Now, unfortunately, this front did not bring any rainfall. We're waking up to mostly clear conditions, a few clouds across the area from our Plainview Live sky view. So that means Doppler 1 radar is currently quiet at the moment, but by this time tomorrow, some of us could be waking up to a few isolated showers possible. We're watching a system that'll come up from the south that'll give us a few scattered rain showers by tomorrow morning in some of our southern counties, then hits our central counties by tomorrow afternoon, and then our northern counties by tomorrow evening. This is the first round. The second round will come late tomorrow night and then early Wednesday morning, bringing a little bit more widespread rainfall and scattered storms, and maybe even a few pockets of heavier downpours by late Tuesday, early Wednesday morning. It tries to develop a little bit of some snowfall and a wintry mix in some of our higher elevations in eastern New Mexico. Not going to be concerned about a snowy event. And in fact, this is going to be a cold rain for many of us, especially by Wednesday morning at 6 o'clock. Could see a few more heavier downpours as widespread rain still continues. Tries to mix in a little bit of some snowfall in some of our extreme northwestern counties. Not looking likely, especially as temperatures on Wednesday will be into the upper 40s and lower 50s. Really don't have to worry about any snow. Again, this is going to be a cold rain event by Wednesday afternoon, and then the system will slowly exit out by Wednesday evening. So just how much rainfall are we going to be expecting? Actually a decent amount, especially with these two systems, both tomorrow and Wednesday. Going to be a 2-day event. Our southern counties will see a little bit more heavier rainfall with 3 inches locally in some spots. Lubbock has the best chance to see about 1 inch to 1.5 inches with locally higher amounts at around 2 inches. So just something to keep in mind. You'll definitely need those rain boots, especially as we have some flooding potential, especially on the roads as well. Otherwise, severe weather threat for tomorrow really not likely, only in a general thunderstorm category. So today, unfortunately, no rain, but mostly clear conditions. A few clouds across the area. High temperature of 68 degrees in Lubbock and a northerly wind at 10 to 15 miles per hour. You feel that cold air tomorrow, though, as temperatures will only get into the mid 50s and then upper 40s, lower 50s by Wednesday. A little bit more widespread rainfall, and then already drying out, rebounding back up into the 70s by Thursday. Watching our next rain chance for Sunday, but for now, we just have to get through tomorrow and Wednesday. Going to be a very long day of widespread rainfall. We need it. We were in a deficit of rainfall for the month of February, so bring on March.
I'm excited. Maybe bring out those rain boots tomorrow for the first time in a while. I haven't had to even bring out an umbrella.
Yeah, because we haven't had a lot of widespread or heavy rainfall, over the past several months. And we actually saw some snow last month, so finally starting to get a little bit of change up. Find those rain boots, find that umbrella, find that rain jacket.
Thank you, Kellyanne.